Hello, and welcome to our open webinar on Amasty Jet theme for Magento 2. It's lovely to see all of you who have joined us live for this webinar, and also hello to everyone who will be watching a recording of this webinar on our YouTube channel. My name is Yulia. I'm a business development manager at Amasty, and today we will talk about how the idea to build our first theme for Magento 2 was born, about the main benefits and the advantages that the theme offers, and also about the plans that our team has for developing the theme by the end of the year and also in 2021. It's my pleasure to introduce you to my great colleague, Anna Sharlai, who has been working with our Amasty Jet theme project team for a while as a business analyst. Thanks, Anna, for joining us for this webinar.
Thank you for choosing this topic, and hello, everyone.
Yeah, so sure, we have chosen this topic because the theme has been gaining traction really quickly with store owners and web design and the development agencies alike since the launch of the theme in August 2020. And we thought that now would be a good time to look back at what has already been done and also to see what's coming up. And with this in mind, today we will talk about the key benefits and advantages that the theme currently offers, such as the ongoing improvement of the theme's performance. We will also talk about compatibility with Amasty extensions and such advantage as universal design and functionality. After that, Anna will highlight our development plans and tell us what's coming up and the features that are already included in the roadmap. And as always, we'll wrap up with a Q&A session. So if you already have any questions in mind, or if you come up with any questions during this presentation part, please use the Ask a Question section on your screen to submit your questions. We will also have a few minutes after the presentation part to collect your questions and to take a quick look at them. And we will be back with Anna to answer as many questions as we can. And before we discuss the functionality that the theme currently offers, and I think we should briefly go back to the very beginning. And I have a question for you here. Could you please tell us how we came up with this idea of building a theme for Magento 2? The thing is that there are many ready-made themes on the Magento market. So what encouraged us to explore this niche and to build this type of product?
Sure. So, well, there is nothing particularly unusual about how this idea came about. As with our product ideas, the idea of creating a theme for Magento 2 came from our customers' requests. We frequently receive support requests from our customers that already use our Amasty extensions together with third-party solutions, including themes. And when online shop is built using a combination of products from different vendors, there is a high chance of conflicts and incompatibilities. And resolving them requires time and resources. So, considering a wide range of Amasty extensions that we already have and our and customers' requests, we thought that would be a great idea of creating our own theme for Magento and help our customers to resolve conflicts and incompatibilities. So we decided to ask our clients and partners agencies about their experiments with ready-made themes and what themes they were using at the time, if any, and what features the ideal theme would include. And this is how the idea of creating our Jet theme was shaped. And thanks to this feedback, we formulated our priorities such as compatibility, universality, maximum flexibility for customizations, and high performance.
All right, great. So thank you for this context for us. And after all these months of work, our theme was released, as I already mentioned, in August earlier this year. So let's take a look at the core features that it offers and the main advantages and benefits that the theme currently offers to our clients. And the first benefit that I'd like to highlight is the ongoing improvement of the theme's performance. One common type of problem that many store owners face is that when they customize their website visuals, they run the risk of slowing down the speed of content loading. For example, things like weighty high-resolution images or non-minified JS, CSS, HTML, they do slow down the speed of loading and the website's performance. Our chat theme has been built with this idea in mind, and with the next releases, we're going to improve the performance further in a number of ways. For example, one thing that we have already done is that we have enabled Ajax technology to give a better feel of performance. The Ajax technology allows to avoid a full reload of a page every time a user interacts with the products. And instead, with this technology, we allow only specific product data to be reloaded individually. And our JET theme currently allows for using this Ajax technology for the add to cart, wishlist, and compare products blocks. At the same time, as we were thinking about the feel of performance and ensuring that the end user has a good feeling about how the site performs, how the theme performs, we're also thinking about the ways to improve the page speed score. And with this in mind, we have been improving the backend settings. And with every new release, we will be adjusting the code to achieve better performance and indexation by Google. Besides, the JET theme is compatible with our Google Page Speed Optimizer extension. And by combining these products, the theme and the optimizer, you can actually already match the website's design performance, the visual performance with the speed expectations. And I'd like to highlight that our Google Page Speed Optimizer is one of the best sellers. So if you are thinking about using such a combination of products, of the JET theme with speed improvement extensions such as Google Page Speed Optimizer and full page cache warmer, we currently have a nice special offer in November. There is a pack, a special combo that comes with a discount, a really nice one. And we also offer a free installation service with it, as well as a deferred support start date. If you have any questions about this, how to find it, please let us know. And you can use the chat on our website to ask about it. Or submit a support ticket. We'll tell you more about how to take advantage of this offer. And now let's take a look at the second benefit and its compatibility with Amasty extension. The problem is the one that Anna is actually already briefly mentioned, the challenges with the compatibility with third-party solutions and compatibility issues. When we have just the vanilla Magento functionality installed, everything is pretty clear and straightforward. However, when we continue building the site, working on the project, when we add new third-party solutions, extensions, then themes, customizations, it's very likely that we will come across conflicts. And the more vendors are involved in this project, the higher the risks of running into compatibility issues. So to minimize such risks for our customers, we have been following the Magento coding standards when building and enhancing the theme. Our theme also supports all the basic Magento functionality, and we have made it compatible with more than 50 Amasty extensions, the most popular ones. Yeah, we already have this list and we will be adding new extensions to it. And if you ever have any questions about compatibility of the theme with any of the products, our support team will be able to provide you with the most up-to-date information. If we talk about Amasty extensions, if you already use things or extensions such as improved layered navigation or full page cache warmer, Elasticsearch, mega menu, or special promotions, the Jet theme will work with them smoothly, and you shouldn't worry about that. Then the third advantage that we'd like to highlight is that the theme provides important functionality that meets the basic needs of store owners. And what kind of problem are we talking about here? The problem is that when choosing a theme for their future online store, many people first pay attention to the visual elements, to the visual appeal of the theme. And then when they dig a little bit deeper, pay closer attention to the functionality, they sometimes realize that the theme doesn't really meet their marketing needs. And they often find that the theme lacks important features such as, for example, responsiveness that ensures that the theme and the website looks good across all devices. Then Ajax functionality, then asynchronous upload of JS files, on hover, add to cart button, and so on and so forth. Our business analysts had done a great deal of work to analyze the needs of our customers, to analyze the basic and more advanced requirements when they were preparing the theme's prototype. They conducted interviews with clients and their work, and thank you for that, for working on this. The work of our business analysts resulted in a rich user experience that I'd like to highlight for all of us. Here, let's check out the core features that the theme offers and how they look. And the first one is catalog pages. When developing the theme, we've been following one basic principle of adding nothing more than necessary to the catalog pages. The clean layout of the catalog page ensures that the visitors don't come across any distractions and can navigate the website easily. And by hovering over a product card on a catalog page, as you can see here in the slide, we, or the user, can see the Add to Cart button, also the Add to Wishlist button, and a little bit higher here, the, sorry for that, the Add to Compare button. The next type of pages is product pages, and our Jet theme supports all types of products, including simple products, configurable, grouped, virtual, and downloadable products. Same as the catalog pages, so we have removed all the extra blocks to make sure that this page is not overloaded. And the product pages provide only the most important information that is necessary to make a decision about the purchase. Again, as we see, the product page provides the product title, then a brief description of the star ranking and reviews. We can also find information about the quantity of the products, the type of the products, the pricing, and the Add to Cart button. As for the shopping cart page, the theme has the product quantity controller here, so that the users don't need to switch between different pages, like the product page and the shopping cart page, and they don't need to type in the product quantity manually, which is really convenient. Our theme supports multi-address checkout and works on any screen resolution, which allows the users to complete the purchase virtually on the go using any kind of device. And we've gone for a minimalist customer account and removed all the distractions and unnecessary information to ensure that the customers are able to find the information that they need within seconds. For example, if a customer wants to see order details, it's possible just to simply click here and to get all the information. There is no need to switch between different pages or blocks. The next feature is the built-in wish lists. And they allow users to easily plan gifts and also to save the items that they like. It is possible to write comments for the products, as you see here, and it's possible to edit the product configuration right on the wish list page. Here we have this button for editing, and on mobile devices, it's located here. Besides, in addition to that, we have the possibility of sharing the wish lists. We would be able to find a button here. And by clicking on the button, a pop-up will appear where the users can make their last edits and copy the link for sharing. And to get back to the page where they were before opening the pop-up, they will just need to close the pop-up. So there is no need again to switch between pages, and there are no redirects. Finally, the compare list. This feature allows users to compare products and to make an informed and deliberate decision about the purchase. Such pages have proven to reduce the number of refund requests, which is really nice. And we added a sticky compare button here to the category pages to make it easy for the customers to find, to notice this helpful feature and to take advantage of it. And to recap, all these core features that I have just highlighted, they have been developed to make it easy for store visitors, for the users to navigate the store and to complete their purchase. The Jet theme is meant to reduce the time that that it takes the user to decide on the purchase, to reduce the decision-making time. And the theme reduces the number of steps that the users need to take in order to complete the checkout, which really helps the businesses to convert more prospects into purchases. Now, as we've talked about some core features, let's go back to the key advantages. As the first and the fourth one is the universal theme design. Many of the themes that are available on the market right now are designed for specific types of businesses. And for example, imagine that you are selling books and you found a theme that you really like, but you realize that the theme is designed for the fashion industry. So you realize that this theme cannot be used for your store, and this can be really frustrating. So to prevent this kind of frustration for our customers, we have been trying to make our theme universal and suitable for all e-commerce segments. With this goal in mind, we have prepared a style guide that is a comprehensive toolkit for adjusting the visual components of the theme. To customize the design of theme elements, you can just go to the style guide and copy one of the elements, for example, the buttons or the icons, etc., from the guide and display them on your storefront. Another nice point to mention about the design is that our theme supports Google Fonts, which gives additional flexibility for customization. And these fonts are universal and web safe, so you're not running any risks of a font displaying incorrectly. And here it's also important to highlight that with this idea of universality, we definitely are not taking a one-size-fits-all approach. We are actually working on building different ready-made layouts for different business needs, for different types of stores. And we're going to provide this new functionality in the near future, right, Anna? Yeah, and it's going to happen a little bit later. And those of you who have already purchased our theme, you will get these layouts free of charge with one of the updates. And if you're looking for a particular layout right now, our team will be happy to hear from you if you submit a feature request using our Amasty public product roadmap. If you don't yet know how to find that form for submitting a feature request, please don't worry, because we will get back to it a little bit later today and show you how this can be done. Finally, the fifth important advantage that I'd like to mention is that the theme offers a number of nice smaller features, like, for instance, the up-to-date main menu. Our Jet theme comes with improved header and footer design, footer style, and the mega menu or the main menu shows the store's subcategories, as you see here, same as our mega menu extension does. So if you want to be able to add images here, you can combine our theme with mega menu extension, and together these will provide you with this functionality. Then to avoid diverting the user's attention from the products, we have made it possible to hide the filter menu as well by clicking on this link, on this button. And here we see the example of the menu being hidden. And here it's shown and is available for interaction by the user. Another nice feature is that we have added a floating add to cart block and a standard back to top button to provide a smoother user experience and increase conversions, because this add to cart button is always at hand and the user can take advantage of it. We have also updated our related products block, and you can see the navigation widgets and banner slider slots to the homepage, and we will soon also release a set of free banners for different business needs for different kinds of stores. These banners will work for the homepage, for a newsletter subscription, and we will also provide a custom 404 page, which is also going to be really nice. And if you are interested, please check our Jet theme product page on the Amasty site in the coming weeks. We will have a button appear there on the page, and by clicking on the button, you'll be able to download the banners free of charge. The next feature is that we have added or put the right review button, this functionality higher on the page to make it easier for the users to notice. And we have also redesigned the compare products page and added a sticky block for comparing several products on one page. In this way, the users have easy access to comparing several dozens of products on one page. And there they have the main information, such as product images, descriptions, and other important details before their eyes, and they can compare the products and choose the best fit for them. Then with the customizable newsletter subscription block, businesses are able to gather more leads by customizing the block using these features. You can provide some unique offers here or provide unique visuals and get leads through this form. And many of our clients like to make this a subscription block cross-cutting, which means that the users are able to subscribe from any page of your website. Finally, our Jet theme offers the possibility of letting your users know that you're social and highlighting your social media. With these features, you are also able to collect user-generated content for your store, which is also really nice and important in our age of networking. As you see, we have been working to make every feature, everything matter. And we will continue enhancing the theme and adding new interesting features to it. I've covered the most important, the core features here. And here at this point, Anna, could you please tell us about our plans for updating the theme in the coming months? What should we expect?
Sure. So I will start with the next version of the theme that will include 4 additional extensions. So we've integrated theme with 4 modules: light navigation, thank you page, product tabs, and Google Visibility Capture. This integration will be available in a couple of weeks. The next step will be to release the compatibility with Magento Commerce version. After that, we are planning to add the possibility to use different color schemes per store views, and also we'll add new layouts for different business niches. And finally, as we mentioned earlier today, we always looking for a way to optimize our theme performance, and we are going to add lazy loading and image optimization techniques to minimize the loading time for the high resolution images. And before we wrap up with the presentation part, I would like to emphasize that we really want to make our theme as useful and beneficial as possible. And we really love to receive feature requests from our customers to have a better idea of what our clients need. So if you need any feature that is not included in our theme yet, please fill in our feature request form on our website, and we love to analyze all your ideas. Julia, could you please show everyone where is our public roadmap and feature request form allocated? So to show everyone that it's really easy to submit a feature request on our website.
Yeah, absolutely. So
thank you.
Let's go to our Amasty website, and let me know if everything looks good on the screen here.
Everything
yeah. So guys, we go to Magento 2 extensions. Then we have this upcoming extensions section. And in this section, we have the banner to explore the Amasty public roadmap. This is how the roadmap looks like. And today we need the upcoming product updates section. And the second card here is dedicated to our Jet theme. Let's take a look at it. All right. So if you see this card, you can check it out from time to time and see what features are already included. We highlight some of them here on the card, and also the features that we are planning to add in the near future. Here, from this card, you can go to the Visit Product page, and you will get all the information about the theme, the feature that it includes, the whole product page. And also, you can request a feature. That's something that we are looking for right now. So this is how the form looks like. Whenever you have a feature request, actually, it is relevant not just for the Jet theme, for any kind of Amasty products, or even the products that do not exist yet. So we will be happy to collect your feature requests and analyze them. And if this part is clear, and I think we should wrap up the presentation part now and proceed to the Q&A session. I see that we already got a couple of questions, so let's take a couple of minutes, talk about them together, and then get back to our visitors to answer these questions. And guys, please don't worry, we will turn off the video and the microphone for a little bit. We will be back totally, and we'll bring you the answers. So please stay with us. All right. We are back. Thank you so much for waiting. Thank you for adding the questions via the chat and via the Q&A section. We will try to comment on all of them. So, Anna, I think that we'll start with the chat first, right? And I will read it for us. The first question that we have is, what are the theme customization possibilities from the admin panel? Please say a few words about this.
Sure. So from the admin panel, you can change the color scheme that will be used on the store. You can use the newsletter subscription form. You can you can add the social network links to your footer, and you can enable IX from the admin panel. And regarding the customization, that's all. We're planning to add the customization for footer and header, but it's only planned right now.
Okay, lovely. And I believe we have a feature request here. Slide card, please, like this, the link that we have. So I believe we are adding it to your list of features to analyze. So could you say a few words about this?
Sure. Yeah, we'll check this slide card from Pixel and analyze with our team, and maybe we'll try to do something similar or even better.
Yeah. Wonderful, wonderful. So now let's take a look at the questions in the Q&A section. And we have a list of questions from one person. Thank you so much for taking the time to put them together. And Anna, again, I will go in their order. The first question on the list is there any extension that is already included on the Jet theme, like layered navigation, mega menu, show by brand, or banners?
Right now, we are going to release, as I earlier said, the Jet theme that will include 4 additional extensions: light layered navigation, thank you page, Google Meet Blue Capture, and product apps. Sorry. Regarding mega menu and show by brand or banners extension, we are planning to add mega menu, some features from mega menu extension to our theme. But regarding banners and shop by brand, we don't have this in our future plans, but I will add it as a feature request to our team, and we analyze, maybe we'll create a special pack for our theme that will include all these extensions.
Wonderful. Then the second question from the same person: where can we see the list of Amasty extensions that are compatible with the Jet theme? And if you don't mind, I will take us to the product page and show show everyone where this can be found. So, okay, I will most likely need to go to the Amasty website here, and let's go to the Jet theme page. I'll need to scroll down, and yeah, here a bit lower, you can see this link. Click here to see the full list of extensions that are compatible. So this is the full list that we have. As we mentioned, we'll be adding new extension to the list. And if you don't see an extension that you are considering on this list yet, again, please check with us. Probably this is something that is a work in progress, and we'll provide you with an update. Next, the third question: how can we check if the Jet theme is compatible with non-Amasty extensions? Anna, I think this one is for you.
Yeah, it's quite a tricky question. So, unfortunately, we have no possibilities to check our theme or even any other our products with third-party extensions. But if you face any issues with the work of our theme with products from our vendors, our support team will be happy to assist you, and you can submit a support ticket, and our support managers with the technical support managers will review your issue.
Yeah, and I would like to add a few points here, as well as for all the other products, Amasty extensions. Jet theme is our policy for 60-day refunds also applies here. And if you purchase the theme and see that it doesn't work perfectly for you, it doesn't meet all your needs perfectly, you can get a refund. So no worries about this. You can try, test, make sure that it works with everything, or probably if you come across any issues, check with our support team to see if there is a more or less easy way to solve that, and then make an informed decision. And one more question: once we customize the theme, do we need to worry about future theme updates? Anna?
Okay, thank you for this question. So, it's quite difficult to say how the customizations will affect the theme in general. And I think it could be some issues with the theme update, because in the form question, there is no specification of what files you would like to customize, what elements, so it's quite difficult to answer. But I think, again, if you have any issues after applying some customization to our theme, and then you couldn't update the theme and couldn't get the new features from our updates, I think you can not I think you can submit a support ticket and ask our support managers for help, and we'll try to help you.
Yes, and another point that I'd like to highlight is that we do have a custom services team here at Amasty. Our people know our products the best. And if you have a customization that you'd like our team to work on, and if you ever come across any incompatibility issues, our people, our custom development team will be happy to review that and help you as much as it is possible. Yeah, they will evaluate the task, see what can be done, what should be done, and provide you with an estimate. So I hope that we've answered this set of questions, and let's move on to a few more questions, additional ones. And the first one, it's pretty simple, I believe, but still very important. What Magento version does the theme support?
Okay, quite a good question. So our theme currently supports Magento 2.3 till the latest version, and you can always change the current support version in the changelog on our product page.
Yeah, I'm trying to get us there. Yep. So this is the changelog.
Mm-hmm.
And just to highlight here, you can always notice which Magento version is supported for any of the Amasty products.
Yeah, so it refers to all our products.
Yep. Then next question, do you offer sample data for other types of stores? Yeah, so this is really great question. Thanks for bringing it up, because we haven't mentioned it during the presentation. Anna, please say a few words about sample data.
Yes, so we offer sample data with our Jet theme. This following sample data first more for food industry, but our team is currently working on different sample data for different business niches, and we are working for clothing and beauty stores. And just to remind that sample data is not included in the package with our theme. You can get a sample data if you submit a support ticket and ask our support manager to send you the package with our sample data.
Yeah, wonderful, wonderful. Then next question that I think I will comment on is, do you offer support for Jet? This is another great question. And the answer is quite simple. Yes, we do. And we do so in the same way as for all our Amasty extensions, all our products. Here on the products page, you can see that we have several options for support. And we have 3 months that go free of charge, then 6 months and 12 months for an additional fee here. So pick whichever option you prefer. And add it to cart and proceed to the checkout. And also, if we are talking about the support, yeah, you will be able to submit support tickets. So whenever you come across any issues, and our support team will check it for you. And we also offer live demo service. You can basically click on this link and pick a time and date that is suitable for you. And our specialist will prepare a demo for you, have a call with you to discuss any concerns that you probably have. And together you'll make sure that everything is clear and you have a good understanding of the features. And one more question that we have. Can I link my Instagram profile with the theme? Anna, is that possible?
Unfortunately, not at the moment. It's already possible to add links to several social networks, but Instagram is not included yet. But at the beginning of 2021, we will optimize the social network links feature, and it will be possible to add links to 15 the most popular social networks, and Instagram will be included in this list. And moreover, you will be able to add a custom link to your social network.
All right, thank you. Thank you for answering this question. I hope that we have been able to answer all of them, and the answers are ample and substantial enough to provide enough information for our clients, for our partners who have joined us today. If you haven't had a chance to submit your question, probably to formulate it, if you need a bit of more time, please don't worry, just take your time and submit a support ticket or email us, your partnership account managers. We'll be happy to find the best answers, the most relevant answers from first-hand answers from Anna, from other colleagues who are working with the JET team. Other than that, I think it's time to wrap up, and happy Thanksgiving to all of those who currently celebrate, and happy rest of your week to everyone else.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.